Choi Woo-shik is a South Korean Canadian actor, director and occasional singer known for his versatile performances in film and television. Choi Woo-shik's most recent project is the romantic comedy Would You Marry Me, which premiered on October 10, 2025 on SBS. As of October 29, 2025, 6 episodes have aired, with the series ongoing every Friday and Saturday at 10 p.m. KST. The show runs for a total of 12 episodes, each approximately 70 minutes long, and is directed by Hyun-wook and Hwang In-hyeok. With a career spanning over a decade, he has earned international acclaim for roles in critically acclaimed projects like Parasite and Train to Busan. Choi was born in Seoul, South Korea, as the younger of two sons to a family that immigrated to Vancouver, Canada when he was 10 years old. Growing up in Coquitlam, British Columbia, he spent a decade there, attending Pine Secondary School for high school. In December 2021, Choi starred in the SBS drama Our Beloved Summer, which was also released on Netflix. It marked his return to the small screen after 4 years. In 2022, Choi returned to the big screen with the film The Policeman's Lineage, which premiered on January 12, 2022. On April 2023, it was announced that Choi's contract with Management Soup has expired and signed with Fable Company. He starred in Netflix's crime thriller series A Killer Paradox in 2024, which is based on the popular webtoon of the same name. He then starred in the Netflix series Mellow Movie in 2025. In 2029, Choi reunited with director Bong Joon-ho for the black comedy thriller film Parasite. Choi played the main character Ki-woo, the son of a poor family who schemes to become employed by a wealthy family by infiltrating their household and posing as unrelated, highly qualified individuals. Choi was first approached by Bong after their first collaboration with Oka in 2016, who told the actor to stay skinny to play the character. Parasite premiered at the 2019 Cannes Film Festival on May 21, 2019, where it became the first South Korean film to win the Palme d'Or